You're a founder, you have a product, you have a brand, and now you're at the stage where you need to market it and actually create visuals of it. This is where the Pika MCP can really help. That's right, you can now use Pika directly in Claude. I'll leave a link below to install it, and it comes with 4 really interesting skills for your brand or product. The first one is called Build a Brand. Now, if you are at the advanced stages and you have all this already, this stage is really quick for you, but this creates a brand guideline PDF. It looks at fonts, it looks at color palettes, it looks at visuals, anything that shows anything to describe your brand visually. Even if you just have an idea, using this, it will go through an array of questions to help you build this design guideline or this design system. And this is extremely useful for not just this process, but in general for your brand or product. After you have this locked down, the next one you can use is see what this looks like in the App Store. If it is an app that you're working on, you want to see these frames, it will use the brand guidelines that it's just created, and it will create new frames as if it was being listed on the App Store. And this gives you a really cool idea about how your brand looks exterior to what you think of it. It's a really cool way to see how the visuals all come together and if you need to make any adjustments on that. Pika MCP also does video, by the way, and you can prompt it to use models such as Seedance 2.0 to actually create a sizzle reel based on your brand as well. So if you go through this process, it's looking at the design guide you've just built. It's also looking at all the frames that you just built for the App Store, and now it can put together a short video for you based on your idea and your prompt. You can just follow the guidelines, or you can put in something more specific for what you want to create about your product. Now, this last stage here is really interesting. So if you go for a founder video, which is also part of the MCP, you can upload an image of yourself as the founder and create a short video of you talking about the product as if it is from you to start using on social media.
Long distance is genuinely hard. And honestly, it's not really about the miles. It's the small thing. What if that gap could actually close? Not just texts, real context. What's happening in their day before they even have to explain it. It tells you when they're having a rough afternoon before you even ask. Location sharing, photo albums, a shared calendar, plus an AI that says, hey, check in.
The key advantage of the Pika MCP being on Claude is that it will always be able to link back to that system and that guideline that it built. You can create more visuals and keep iterating and updating all in one chat field here, which is extremely helpful because you can just have an agent be that creative director and you just come up with those ideas for it to use. I'll leave a link below to access the Pika MCP. It's super easy to install and you can use it right now on Claude Code.